Hey guys, it's Isaac at Mallard Motors, home of the $100 credit challenge, where if we can't get your credit approved for a new auto loan, we give you $100 cash. Today, just in, we've got this beautiful GMC Yukon XL Denali. The Denali is the highest level trim that they make on one of these Yukon XLs. It's got all the extra. You saw fog lights. It's got the 20-inch chrome wheels, good tread on the tires, the fixed running boards. You got chrome trimmings along the running boards, the trim on the doors, the door handles, even the bar up top, all chrome trimmings. In the back, you got a little tow hitch there. You got backup sensors, backup camera. You got a power automatic door. It can be opened with the remote or just by pressing the little button right there. So you can see a lot of room in the back here. Lots of room up front, multiple DVDs, systems. Just the press of a button, it'll shut itself. Beautiful vehicle. Let's take a look inside. Inside we got power locks, power windows, power mirrors, and power folding mirrors. So you can press this button and it'll fold them in. Air conditioned seats, heated seats, memory seats. The heavy duty Huskey liners are throughout. Power leather seats. Leather's all in good shape, no rips, no tears. Got a sunroof. Let's go ahead and start her up. Got 168,607 on the miles. Over here we've got radio working. We got navigation. We got a backup camera. Down here we got dual air controls. In the steering wheel here, heated steering wheel. Got your cruise control, Bluetooth settings there. Over here, your automatic and your fog lights. This thing is just loaded with features. Power windows, rear captain's chairs that are leather and heated. You got DVD players for both of the rows in the back. Got a third row in the back that'll fit 3 people with shoulder strap seat belts. Again, as I mentioned, those Huskey liners. Top's in great shape. Just a beautiful Denali. Driver's side, air conditioned seats, heated seats, power lock and windows. Leather in great shape. Got the original books and the original paperwork in here. So that's nice clean motor. It's going to be a 6.2 liter V8. That's the bigger of the Chevrolet motors. Also has this premium audio system. Love to get you approved on it. All you got to do is go to mallardmotors.com, fill out the application, and we'll get you approved. Remember, trust the duck.